The walking plank, endlessly variable exercise, which is good because the classic version is about as boring as an exercise can be. Even if you spend the entire time thinking about how much good you are doing your core. Tiny tweaks are all that required for you to get more out of your average plank. The walking plank, also called the alternating hand plank or press-up plank by some, might sound like a major change, but in reality just add a little movement up and down. Despite this animal variance, you should find it considerably harder to pull off than the standard plank when done correctly, and it shakes the things up enough to defeat the boredom. Benefits of the walking plank. The core challenge of a classic plank is well known, and adding in the movements only adds to this. You'll also hit your shoulder, chest and arm muscles hard, meaning the walking press up is a fine all-around addition to the workout of anyone keen on carving out a more impressive upper body. How to do the walking plank. Start in a prone plank position, resting on your forearms with your body forming a straight line from shoulders to feet. Then push up from the ground, one arm at a time, into the elevated press-up position, all while maintaining your rigid plank form. At first, keep your movements measured. It'll make the plank press up all the harder, and ensure you don't get sloppy and start sagging in the middle. Rather than aiming for a set amount of reps, shoot for a minute worth of planks press-up. Once you are well acquainted with the move, you can up the speed to incorporate it to the HIIT session and gain the cardio benefits of keeping your heart rate sky high. Walking plank variation. Jacking up the challenge of the walking plank is as simple as holding both the plank and press up positions for 10 to 30 seconds during the exercise. This isn't for the faint-hearted. Another way to make things harder is to add in 3 to 5 press-ups before moving back to the plank position. It's also easy to make the walking plank easier. Dropping onto your knees and then carrying on as normal will reduce the strain, but still ensure your upper body gets a comprehensive workout. If you feel cheated that this plank walking involves no movement from your feet, you might prefer the lateral plank walk. Start in a press-up position, then move your left hand across your right, stepping out with your right foot. Then move your right hand and left foot so you are back in a press-up position. That counts as one shuffle. Keep moving laterally with your core braced correctly at all times until you reach 10 shuffles. The guests in your team want you and those close to you to live a healthy, happy life. Your health is a valuable thing. Look after your health and your mind so that you can live your life to the fullest. Remember, you only get one. Please share this with your friends and family, and do let us know what do you think in the comments below. This video is solely for informational purposes. Do not self-diagnose and self-medicate, and in all cases consult a certified healthcare professional before using any information presented in this video. The editorial board does not guarantee any result and does not bear any responsibility for any harm that may result from using the information provided in this video.